Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you receive crypto into your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to receive the crypto, you just simply have to open your Binance application. And after opening that, just simply tap to this mini Binance icon into the top left corner. Tap there, and after tapping into there, you will get to see this pay option into recommended. Tap to pay option, and after tapping there, you will get to see receive button. Tap to receive, and after tapping into receive, you will get to see this page where you will get to see your Binance QR code, and you can share this QR code by tapping into share QR, and you can also save it into your gallery before sharing. And you just simply have to share this QR code to the sender, and the sender will send the crypto by scanning the QR code to your Binance account. And this way you can easily receive crypto into your Binance account. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.